Okay, so on my way to Suratani, it has not stopped raining. This is Kunjab, she's driving. I reserved a room today on the way here.
Yes, of course.
Yes?
Yeah.
And what do you need? So this is nice. I just entered. The staff saw the camera and they're like, if you're vlogging, then we would like to upgrade you to a bigger room, which is a single tree house. They're just checking it. That's pretty nice. Always.
And tonight the restaurant's open at 5:30 until 7:30.
Okay.
And well, the monkeys are coming down here sometimes, so make sure
Really?
don't touch them, don't feed them.
Okay.
And well, they know how to lock, how to open the door, so you have to lock the door all the time.
How's business, by the way?
It's not too bad, but
Yeah?
on the middle.
Okay.
We are lucky. It's still running well.
That's really good to hear.
Not too good, but we're doing okay.
Okay. Wow, this is excellent.
There you go.
Whoa. Nice. Thank you so much.
Maybe 1 hour.
Take it out. We built a fire. Barbecue. Too good. Look at that. So Kunjab has set up an entire barbecue station here. Check this out. This is it. Chicken wings, fish balls. See, the rain has not let up at all. I'm hoping tomorrow if I go for a run or go on the board, it might be a little better. Cool. So, what's happening now is drone, rain. I have no choice, I leave this morning. The thing is that these guys were so absolutely kind to give me a bigger room. I just want to make sure I show everybody the actual property. This is the reason I chose this place. So beautiful. Successful flight, but you know, one thing that really confuses me about the DJI, the Mavic Mini, is the fact that in crystal clear conditions I've flown it and I've lost it. In time, I actually lost it to the point that for 7 to 8 days it was somewhere in a house in the rain, and I finally recovered it with the help of a friend. Why it got lost that day, I'm really not sure. Now for a walkthrough. Foxtail. The camera surely does not do justice. It definitely does not do justice to how beautiful this place actually is. This is our jungle camp, and what they do is they sell the fact that it is eco-friendly. This whole thing is made of bamboo, made of wood. quick run. It's a beautiful place. I missed the chance. Just did a kilometer run. I think we'll be heading out now. This was a wonderful trip. Thank you so much, staff of this fantastic place. May you guys live long and... Am I doing it right? Forgot to show you guys the bathroom. See, open air, mirror, and shower space.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Thank
Good
you.
job. Take care. Huh?
Bye.
Have a fantastic day.
Yes. Have a safe drive.
Bye-bye.
See you.
Just got transported to the 90s. As usual, bad at ending the vlog. It has been a good trip. Thank you, Khaosok, for being lovely. Very wet, but still lovely.